Anak, you can just we do laundry on that one. Let me see, harap ka sa akin Have a nice Friday. Oh, wow. Ano bang pinagsasabi ng best friend mo, Maricar? Anong pinagsasabi ng best friend mo, Maricar? Best friend ni Maricar si Sora. Jowa. Ano yun? Jowawers? Diyan na yung mga mumu ni Good morning ni Nandiyan na naman yung mga mumu mo, Aisa. Oh, wow. Don't cry. No crying. I know. You found it? Oo. Oo, tama, tama. Correct. Oo, dagdag views din natin yan. Oh, be careful. You okay? You okay? Where you going? Is that your pancake? It's a flat pancake. Oo nga, nakapapa na siya. You can sit, anak. It's okay. You'll just take a shower. Paapa na siya. Andun si Jade. Busy sa four-wheeler. Yeah. Get ready for what? Ano ba yung best friend ni Maricar? Get ready saan? Julene! Can you get the bag daw, panak? Ikaw daw, kayo daw po uwi daw ng Pilipinas. Can you run? So ask, how you ask, anak? Oh, Alaska. Hala, ano ba pinagsasabi niyan? Can you spray here? Okay. Okay. Okay, Jilana, let me see. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay, isa pa na. Isa pa. Okay.
My mouth.
Oh, sorry. Julene, just leave it here, anak. Those those